Hi, let's see one of the gate question which was asked in the year 2004. They have given here few lines of code and they're asking us to define what is the output of the program. Okay, fine. So if you look into the code, here they have used one character array with a size of 20, the size of 20, whose character array name is P. Right guys, assume that if it is address is 100 and each and every character is going to take 1 byte of memory, so like that it is going to have 20 bytes of memory location is there, right? Okay, so if it is 100, this is 101, 102, 103, 104 and so on. Okay, this is what they declared as a first statement. And second statement is, guys, you can declare strings in C language in many ways. One is through character array. Like for example, let me go with char. The name of the array is A and size of the array is 10. Let me declare my string as like this. Am I do? Yes, I can do it. Or something like I can go with another way. Char a of 10 equal to, within the flower branches you can do, right? J, A, Y, A and so on. If for example I have written here something like null character also, right? Yes, I can do like this. Or I can go with the pointer, right? Pointer means, see, array means is simple nothing but an address. Similarly, I can go with defining as with respect to pointers also. Char star A equal to J. But irrespective whether you are going to write string in any format, at the end it is going to append null character. It's going to append null character. As we have written here, pointer yes, pointer yes, the string array is going to be created, at the end it is going to append null character, and which is pointed by yes and base. Okay, for example its address is 200, then it is 200 and 201 and so on. Okay, fine. And then the immediate statement is int length equal to string length of yes, right? So here we are trying to find out the string length, right? So if so, string length is going to find out the length of the string, right? So what is the length of the string? So you are going to get this length of the string as 6, right? So it is not 7, it is not 7 because string length function doesn't count the null character, right? So if you are going to find out here string length of a, you are going to get 4. Here also if you are going to find out the string length of a, you are going to get the value 4. Here also if you are going to find out the string length of a, you are going to get the value 4. Okay, so here the length variable contains value 6, that is string length of yes. Okay, fine. Next statement is they have initialized a I variable, declared I variable, and that I variable they have initialized with 0, right? And this I variable they are going to iterate until the length, that is 6, meaning that which is going to iterate from 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 times it is going to be iterated, right? And then they have declared one statement p of I equal to s of length minus a. P of I means what? P of 0, meaning that this particular location 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 and so on, p of 0th location, s of length minus I. Length means what? Length is 6, 6 minus 0. 6 minus 0 is what? 6, meaning that s of 6 value is going to be placed. So what they did na? P of 0 equal to s of 6 minus 0, right? Meaning that in P of 0 they are going to place s of 6, right? What is s of 0? 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. S of 6 is what? Null character. Okay, then loop is going to be iterated, that is p of 1 equal to s of 6 minus 1, meaning that s of 5 is going to be placed, that is g. P of 2 equal to s of 6 minus 2, that is n, I or t, yes. Am I right? So P of, okay, 1 minute. So it is going to iterate for only up to 5, right? So if I am going to take P of 5, P of 5 equal to S of 6 minus 5. That means S of 1 is going to place. S of 1 is what? T. T placed successfully. And for the next iteration, if I am going to have I value as 6, loop is going to be terminated. Loop is going to be terminated. So this you are not going to get. So up to here only your data is going to be placed, and all again an empty data, right? The loop is exited, then it's going to print percentage s comma p, percentage s comma p, meaning that it is trying to print a string which is already location called p, right? So what does this modifier will check? This modifier will try to check for the string, and if string is available, it is going to print all the available data until it is going to find a null character, until it is going to find null character. But if you look into observe this example, uh, at the starting itself you are going to have null character. It assumes that this is the end of the string, this is the dumb string, so that's the reason it won't print anything. So your output is no output is printed. Okay, here the logic is percentage yes will check for or will try to print the data until it found a null character, right? Here null character is found at the starting only, that's why it is going to stop its execution. So you are going to get no output is going to be printed. I hope you understood clearly. Thank you.